Um, 1 to absolute infinity. Where is it? It's right here.
Walmart Express Delivery gets you game day is a chewer.
Come on. Oop, wrong video. I'm sorry. Um, so far I got 2 Granda Trinity color power. And I'm willing to go further. And I'm Huh? It's still going? Ooh. Alright. Surrender. Surrender. Trinity color power. So the notation now goes to this third P right here. I call this P squared. And then I'm gonna do high Randa. That sounds too long. Well, not, yeah. This is just PPP to the 10. Alright then. And then Godranda. Oh. Alright. This is the base, and this is the exponent. Multi-defanda. Trinity color power. Impossible. Banda. Trinity color power. That will become P soon. I wonder when we will reach tetradecal power. It's just a million divided by 1000. You subtract the exponents. And then put in do 10. Do 10 at a critical power. Oh, and you might have noticed. I Let's just go back to where we started. So we stopped here, and then I put more and more. Take a moment to look at them. And I started using the bird's array notation. Then I got this. Following the video's rules, then. Yeah, oh, this one's very long. This one's also very long. This one too. And then I moved on to the grand critical powers. How about let's just go for 10 because I don't have time to actually like go further. Let's just go for 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I forgot the A. I'll just go 2,000. I will go for 1,002. Um. Hmm. Tritic color power is funny. Let's see what the video says. I'm trying to get what this video is saying. Wait, is this another cycle? I think I'm gonna see another cycle. Yep, it's another cycle. Oh my god. Can't believe I'm going all through the cycle again. I only went a few seconds forward. Oh my god. Or maybe I can apply my other previous prefixes, merge them into a cycle. Tritic power. What's next? This should be something like tritic complex and this power level are getting longer. Um, how can things melt in 0 seconds? That's infinite, dude. Mini around goes. Wait, what I put here? What I put? Deck. Okay. Decara. Okay, this is not gonna be like Grand Tridica Plex. This is going to be Grand Tridica Trixaplex. Trixa. Yeah, Trixa. That's just gonna be a new prefix. And then I'm gonna add Plex in when there's 3 iterations. And I wonder if this 2 is gonna be. And I wonder, for that many iterations, will this 2 turn into a 3? Well, let's find out. Alright, let's see what the video has to say. Oh! Okay! So it does change. Let's see how our cycle goes now. Alright, so. But we will still be the second term is changing now. So this is P613. Can't be it one. Let's see how it goes. So it turns out we need many more cycles just to get to Tetradeco. Yeah, I was hoping to make that 3 a 10 soon. And I only got 1 second further, dude. I don't know how long, but this is probably gonna be like 1,000 power levels. I'm gonna come up with a new prefix once that 10 becomes a P. Alright, time for a new prefix. So let's get this done. Tree select color power. Yeah, it sounds funny though, but let's use it. Let's just use it. This will be our new prefix. This will be our new prefix. Let's see if the cycle. Let's see if the cycle is different. Actually, I'll just save this one tomorrow.